Hi friends, let's check the job vacancies in Assam Power Generation Corporation Limited. Employment notice, that is advertisement number 19/8/2020, and the accounts in the finance and accounts for filling up the post of Chief General Manager Finance and Accounts, General Manager F&A APGCL. Designation is Chief General Manager. Pay scale is up to 1,16,000. Qualifications reserved for this job is Chartered Accountant or the Cost Accountant. And the direct recruitment process will be there. The candidate should have the minimum 10 years experience in the corporate financial management accounts, including cost and budgetary control. Etc. Deputation will be with the 4 years in the regular service as Deputy General Manager in the Finance and Accounts or equivalent post, or with the 2 years regular service as General Manager in the Finance Accounts or equivalent post. And we can see the nature of the experience is having requisite knowledge on the budget and the budgetary control, knowledge of the fund and fund management, terminal benefit, MIS, and overall day-to-day functioning of the finance and the accounts departments. That is nature of the experience. And we can see the email ID of gmhr@apgcl.com. Telephone number is 0361-263-5812. For the general manager F&A, pay scale is same. And the qualifications also same, that is chartered accountant or the cost accountant can apply for this job. Qualifying service is direct recruitment. Minimum 8 years experience in the corporate financial management and accounts, including cost and the budgetary control, knowledge of the management or terminal benefit, etc. Deputation is same as above. We know 4 years for the assistant general manager or 2 years experience in the regular service of the deputy manager. Nature of the experience also same, having requisite knowledge on the budget and the budgetary control, audit, balance sheets, reconciliation of revenue, MIS, compensation package. Selected candidate of CGM F&A will be placed in the pay band of, that is between, if the candidate is selected, the candidate will get the amount between 42,000 to 1,60,000 with a grade pay of rupees 20,000. Other allowance shall be given as per the rules. For the general manager, grade pay is 19,500. Remaining the salary pay band will be same as the CGM, Chief General Manager. Age limit is candidate with the minimum, that is above 45 years, below 55 years candidates can apply for CGM. For the general managers, above 35 years and the below 50 years candidates can apply for this job. Application fee is 500 only for the general candidates. For OBC and MOBC, rupees 250 only. 500 for the general, OBC and MOBC. For the scheduled caste or scheduled tribes, only 250. Remaining all 500 rupees. Payable in the demand draft to be pledged in the favor of the deputy manager, that is demand draft to be taken in the favor of Deputy Manager Finance and Accounts, Assam Power Generation Corporation Limited in Bijuli Bhavan, Paltan Bazar, Guwahati 78100. Selection procedure. Applications in the prescribed format only. Check the last date is 5/9/2020. Job applications through proper channel only. No applications working. No objection certificate has to be produced by the candidate and the caste certificate. Incomplete applications will be rejected. Canvassing directly or indirectly shall disqualify the candidature. APGCL can cancel this advertisement without prior to any notification. The last date of the receipt of the application in the prescribed format before 5th September 2020. That is last date for filling the application form and sending is 5th September 2020. Okay friends, thank you. Subscribe this channel for more job updates and ICAI official announcements. Thank you friends.